Welcome to this tutorial. In this lesson, you will learn how to control the brightness of an LED using the ESP32 microcontroller. Go to the workfree.com and click on New Project and select the ESP32 microcontroller. Add an LED to the project. After that, connect the LED anode to the GPIO16. And connect the LED cathode to a 220 ohm resistor. And connect the resistor other end to the ground. Now let's look at the code. LED pin is connected to GPIO16. This defines the LED will be controlled by PWM on this pin. Brightness. This variable holds the current brightness level of the LED. It ranges from 0 to 255, where 0 is completely off and 255 is the maximum brightness. Fade amount equal to phi. This determines how much the brightness will change each time the loop run. A positive value, phi, will gradually increase the brightness, and if changed to a negative number, it will gradually decrease the brightness. Setup function. Pin mode LED is output. This configure LED pin 16 as an output. This is necessary because you need to send a signal from the pin to control the LED. In the loop function, analog write LED brightness. This line uses PWM to set the brightness of the LED connected to LED pin. Brightness equal to brightness plus fade amount. This line modified the brightness variable by adding fade amount to it. On each cycle of the loop, the LED brightness will increase if fade amount is positive. The LED brightness will decrease if fade amount is negative. If brightness is less than or equal to 0, this condition checks if the brightness variable has reached the maximum or the minimum value. If it doesn't, the direction of the brightness change is reversed by flipping the sign of fade amount. When brightness is less than or equal to 0, it starts decreasing, and when brightness reaches or exceeds 255, it starts decreasing. This creates a smooth fade effect back and forth. Delay. This adds a short delay of 30 milliseconds before the loop runs again. This delay ensures that the change in brightness is gradual and smooth. Without this delay, the change would happen too quickly and the fading effect will appear jerky or not noticeable. Now let's simulate the circuit. Click the Start Simulation button. The LED should now gradually increase and decrease in brightness in a smooth fading effect based on the code. In this lesson, we successfully simulated an LED fading effect using PWM on the ESP32. You learned how to connect an LED to the ESP32, how PWM works to control LED brightness, and how to write and modify the code to create different lighting effect. Thank you.